Hi, I'm Mike Santora, Associate Editor for Fluid Power World Magazine, and I am here at the 2019 Fluid Power Tech Conference. I am with John Plut from Freudenberg-NOK. John, thanks for being with us.
Thanks for having me, Mike.
Okay, so tell us a little bit about what you're showcasing this year at the Tech Conference.
Well, we're at the Fluid Technology Conference here, so we're trying to showcase some of our fluid technology, obviously. We're here with our accumulator division, and we're also here showcasing some of our hydraulic seals for the cylinder market. Specifically for our new initiative called the Perfect Cylinder, where it's our new mantra and our new philosophy on how to utilize premium seals to be able to really reduce costs in the actual cylinder manufacturing process.
John, can you tell me a little bit about what types of applications where we would see this product?
Well, you're going to see it everywhere, honestly, and you're going to see it in whether it's agriculture and construction or just any general industry. It really hits the sweet spot of about 80% of all cylinders, because what this is asking cylinder manufacturers to do is really review and take a look at how they're manufacturing their cylinders currently, their standard design practices, and really rethink and think outside the box on how they do that.
Okay, so John, I understand that Freudenberg-NOK also has an announcement they want to make at the show, is that correct?
Yeah, absolutely. We're pleased to announce Higginson Equipment out of Burlington, Ontario as our newest FAPN, which is Freudenberg's Accumulator Partner Network for all sales and service, and they'll be handling Canada respectively.
Okay, John, so can you tell everybody where they can find out a little bit more about Freudenberg-NOK?
Yeah, absolutely. You can visit us on our website at fst.com or any of the social media outlets that we participate in.
And of course, for more videos like this, you can go to fluidpowerworld.com.